you, Lord. Lunch tayo, mga my loves. Tuyo. Ang tuyo ko pa itong niloto itong nakaraan. Thank you, Lord. Inunit ko lang siya kasama yung kanin. Mm. Mm. Tamis ng kamatis. Pipino. Kahit dyan. Ang sarap. Mm. 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 May suka to, guys. Kamatis na may suka. Mm. That's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget like and share my video at pakipollow na rin ako. Thank you for watching.